Well, as you can see, I'm out with my Mavic Air 2 again, and recently I did a video where it was called Checking the Cows with the drone, and I just basically flew over them, flew down, checked them. This time I want to actually fly close to them and just see what the reaction is. So I'm not going to hurt them or anything. I just want to get close to them, just kind of see what they're going to do. So hey, let's get in the air and we'll fly down there and get close to them, see what happens.
Take off.
Well, it's coming home. Let's see if I can land it on the board in this windy day.
Landing.
Bingo. I hit the board on a windy day. I'm still a rookie pilot, so hey, I'm okay with that. Hey guys, looked like the cows wasn't very spooked. When I turned around and came back through them, they moved around a little, but nothing too drastic. So hey, it's a pretty neat deal. If you want to go check your cows, just fly down and check them. You can sit in your truck, or if it's cold or windy or whatever. But hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.